Hello, hello, hello. It's me. You'll see my face in a little bit, but today I am making turmeric soap and just watch. Right here I'm actually fixing my lighting, and this is my little area where I actually do all my production for my soaps and my shea butters. All right, so hi you guys. Can you see me? So today I'm actually making my one of a kind turmeric soap, and I'm just prepping. Just want to show you what I have around. Okay. Alright, so I have my water. I'll show it. I have my water over here. There's our extra utensils right here. So this is my lime water. I use distilled and lime water. This is my scale to measure all of my ingredients. I have my calendula tea here. I also have my peppermint tea, which I'm going to be mixing into my soap. So I'm going to put this away and I'll start adding the oils. There's a little bit of particles that I'm just stomping right here. Just to make sure this is all clear. And I don't have still lingering black particles. So, alright. So right here I'm showing you this is my lime water. There's a little bit of particles that I was trying to remove. And I have my molds. I'm gonna be making 3 of these batches. So I have 2 big ones and 1 small one. So I have some extra utensils over here. And I'm gonna remove this, don't worry. But right here I have my botanicals that I'm gonna be adding to this soap. This is a turmeric soap that I'll be making, and I'll show you more of it. And this is basically my small work area, and I do everything here. So yeah. So let's go ahead and just edit this place. Basically remove everything that I don't need, the extra utensils like measuring cups, and just remove everything. And oh yes, I'm going to actually be making also small mini soaps. That blue little thing is there, that's a blue soap mold. And working my way through, I removed the lye water over there, and what I'm doing right now is just preparing the area, wiping it down, making sure everything is clean and wiped down, which I had already done, but this is another way of me actually just showing it on the video. I'm just gonna remove everything again. That's the blue mini soap mold that I'll be making. Also I'll be adding, so it's gonna be the 3 batches plus mini soaps. And I'm just cleaning again, just wiping down everything. And before I start handling the lye, which I already did, and adding the oils, I'm gonna just wear a protective garment or protective anything. In this case, this is my apron that I use all the time. So I'm putting it on right now, and I also have my gloves. I actually like the gloves just for aestheticism. I love the black gloves. And again, these are my 3 molds. I'm making a turmeric soap today, and I'm also going to put some peppermint as well as calendula botanicals. And one thing that I'm going to do with the botanicals is blend them down so that they actually are ingrained into the soap. And you know, as you're washing yourself, you can feel a little bit of mild exfoliation from the botanicals. So right here I'm adding the peppermint, and the other one was the calendula petals, and I am going to start blending now. This is the blending process. Let's see what it looks like. So it is semi particles and semi powder. That's what I like, and you can make tea out of this. So as with everything, our products, we actually use organic and natural ingredients that you can actually consume. So this, you can definitely make peppermint and calendula tea. This is basically, if you didn't know, this is how you can make it. But I am going to also add turmeric into this, so that the whole process of it, I don't have to actually mix the botanicals and the powder separate. So I'm gonna blend together. First I start mixing it with a spoon, just so that it's mixed together, and then I continue blending it, and then I remove it and put it into a little glass bowl like you see over here. Turmeric, because it does stain, but you just want to make sure you don't use light colors. You can use cloth that's dark, so that you don't see the stains. And you need to clean yourself immediately, right, so that it doesn't leave any stain. Just like that. Then you go clean this. Now for this portion, I'm bringing back the measuring cups, and I'm adding the oils now. So I measured the oils. This is basically 3 oils that I make with my soaps, and this is again the botanicals as well as the turmeric powder together, just adding it so that at the end of it, because this is just going to be one color soap, which is going to be the turmeric color, which is yellow or orange or however it's gonna come out. So right there, before I added the lye, I made sure to actually look at what the temperature of the oils were, because you gotta have them into, like, before you add the water and the lye, you gotta make sure that the temperatures comply. Well, what's the word? They basically are aligned. Is that something? Or compliant with each other. Anyway, I am now blending. As you can tell, now this is the process where the lyes and the oil are actually mixing together. And when I was actually moving that blending stick, I was just making sure that before I add the essential oil, that there's a little bit of trace, and then I go ahead and stir. Sometimes I just stir with the blender without actually blending, using it to blend, and there I go. It's ready to pour in the mold. This is the first time I'm talking over. I'm using voice over, and I hope it comes up right, because this is the first time. So you want to basically just bang a little bit of the mold, so that the batter just, you know, settles into every crevice and corner, and there's no space. And then I also mix the corners that look like they need a little bit of the batter. So I'm almost done. Now I'm taking away the molds. The third one I didn't actually record it for some reason. And as I was saying earlier on, I was going to make also a little bit of the mini soaps, which you can use for gifting. You can use them as your facial soaps or travel soaps. So come back for more. I am going to show you the final product, how it looked at the end, tomorrow.